Vardhan. Because I don't know, this recording will be like maybe definitely more than an hour. So we will record for 30 minutes and then stop it, and then we will record for another 30 minutes. So that I can
Okay.
upload in a
Okay.
part one, part two, like that.
Okay, sir.
So I'll let you know when to stop it. Okay, done, guys.
Done. You can move ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, Mantesh bhai.
Yes.
Okay, so basically in this is basically the common approach, not only for dual super trend approach or MTG or any setup. This is some of the common basic things which I request everyone to follow in their day to day or positional or swing or whatever the trading they are doing. The first thing is, if you are doing a swing trading, then I would say daily time frame is the best. But if somebody want to do ultra swing trades, so then I would say 75, or rather I would put it as 125 minutes time frame. That is what usually I use in some cases, when the market is very volatile, uh, and I want to take some good trades, so then I will just change my time frame of chart to 125 minutes, and I will enter the trade, and then I will write the trade for the sell signal on 125 minutes. So usually in this time frame, I'll get the trade say like 2 to 3 days, and in 2 to 3 days, approximately 10 to 15% returns very easily. You can get it, and then once you get the price close below the AMA line on 125 minutes, just exit that trade. So that is basically, you can say, ultra swing trade you can plan. But on a standard basis, swing trade usually I take on daily time frame, and then I ride the complete trend till the time I get the sell signal. In case if I want to take any positional trade, which is for my core portfolios, then basically I use weekly time frame. But then there is it is a very subjective thing. Sometimes if I want to take a positional trade, even though for core, uh, weekly time frame might become little bit bigger, because the risk reward, or I might have to take the trade on a higher side. So even when I say positional trade, even I take it on a daily time frame as well. I will enter the trade in a daily time frame, and as the trade will progress, then I will convert that one to a weekly time frame. So there will be some permutation combination is possible over there when I am considering any stock to take for a positional. It is not hardcore a weekly time frame. Second approach, see, we have around 6,000 stock listed in NSE. So, how to narrow down the stock list to take one or two trades on a per day basis? So, very simple setup you need to adapt is top down approach. So, what is top down approach is basically, you need to first scan the broader market. How is the broader market doing? How is the Nifty doing? How is the mid cap is doing? How is the uh, small cap is doing? So these are three broader index you need to study on a chart on a technical basis. And when you have a positive view on a broader market, then you need to drill down to a sector, because I think almost like 12 to 13 sectors are there in our market which are bifurcated. So you will find at any given point of time, not all the 13, 14, or 15 sectors are moving in one direction. There may be three or four sectors moving in positive directions, three or four sectors will be in a downtrend, and maybe one or two sectors in a consolidation. So you need to make sure that the sectors which are in a momentum, sectors which are into positive trend, you focus on those trends only. Yeah. And then you need to go to the next level, which is the last level where you need to focus on the stocks which are from that 3 or 4 or 5 sectors which are into positive trend. Yeah, when you will run the scanner, so say in a scanner you are getting 20 stocks, so definitely you are not going to jump and take 20 trades in a day. So this is the pattern or a method you need to apply on those scanners. You need to see from those 20 stocks which are following or falling among those 4 or 5 sectors, and narrow down. When you will do the narrow downing of that list of 20 stocks, then you will find that you will come to almost half, maybe 8 9 10 stocks only you will see that coming from those sectors which are into positive momentum. And then from there, then you need to start studying those 10 stocks only rather than studying the 20 stocks, because there might be a possibility the sector which is not into the positive trend, you will get a stock and you will take a trade, then the possibility of that trade going positive is very very less. So that is the reason you need to focus on the stocks which are coming from the positive trend sectors only. So this is basically a simple way understanding of the top down approach. Yeah, clear guys? Any question on how to filter down your scanners list? If anyone has any question, please raise it now. I'll answer.
Sure, but we will go through that how to identify the sectors and all.
uh, See that basically we can go on the chart, and we have some tools which I will show it to you, but mainly we will see examples on the chart.
Okay.
Yeah, shall I move ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Mandesh bhai. Yes.
Okay, so basically the setup, dual super trend setup, which we are going to discuss today in detail. So these are the indicators which will be a part of that setup. So AMA line is already a part of our uh, MTG strategy. So that definitely will be, that is the main hero you can say of our entire strategy. Either it is MTG or either it is dual trend super trend, dual super trend uh, strategy. Basically, going forward, I will pronounce it as dual ST. Okay, so ST is basically super trend, and another indicator which is RSI, which we use on monthly time frame. Very important component of this setup, guys. Okay, I will explain you the trend cycle or how to use that RSI monthly time frame in a quick incoming slides, or on the chart. And second, MTG, our standard MTG, what we are using. So the dual ST indicator, it is a combination of two super trends. Yeah. So ST1, so super trend 1, and ST2 super trend 2. And the setting of ST1 will be 1 comma 2.1. I will show you on the screen what exactly that means. And the setting for ST2 will be 3 comma 2.1. So this is the best setting I found after a lot of back testing in terms of getting the buy signal and getting the sell signal on timely. Yeah, we don't want a buy or a sell signal where the stock has run up, where or the sell signal where already the stock has shown a considerable drawdown, and then the sell signal comes. We want the sell signal or a buy signal at the right time so that we can take our decisions. Yeah. So dual ST indicator, AMA line, MTG, and RSI. So these are four indicators which will apply on our chart. So AMA, I'm sure already everyone will have their own chart. MTG, I'm sure you will have already on your chart, and RSI is already there on your chart. So only the new indicator which you will add is the dual ST indicator. So let's go to the chart and set our chart, and then I will move next. Yeah.
And this settings is common for both weekly and.
Yes. No change to time frame. Only the time frame will change, but only the what do you say? The time frame will change, but the settings will be same.
Thank you.
Yeah. So say like example, if I go with this chart and I go with daily. Yeah. So go to indicator, and then you need to find this chart, this indicator. You see this dual super trend MTG V2 by Manteshi. Yeah. Apply this chart. Okay, guys, applied. So once you apply this chart, then you have to go to settings. Yeah. So when you will apply, so it will come like this. Yeah. So when you will apply, first of all, I will hide this one. So when you apply this chart, so it will be look like this. So when you apply, you will see this ST1 period is 3 and ST2 period is 1. So just interchange that one. Make ST1 period as 1 and ST2 period as 3. So that's how it will become easier to understand when you will see the buy signal or sell signal on chart, to understand where it is coming from where. So make ST1 as 1 and ST2 as 3.
Wait, can anybody see that indicator? I don't see.
Mantaji, I think this is not in public.
This indicator is not in public. Let me see. No, when I'm finding it, it is showing as public. Guys,
Mantesh
anyone
ji,
can...
this is your favorites. It is not in public. अब वो आपकी my scripts और उसमें दिख रहा है, favorites में दिख रहा है, but अगर आप देखेंगे नीचे community में कहीं appear नहीं हो रहा. So it is not published actually.
अच्छा.
That means you have to share the link. Then
अगर आपने publish नहीं भी किया तो भी चलेगा. If you share the link, then even then people can make it favorite.
एक मिनट, हाँ, 1 मिनट. इसको ओके. कहाँ पे है मेरा?
आपको प्रोफाइल में जाना पड़ेगा मंटेश भाई. You have to go to your profile. आपको आपके प्रोफाइल में जाना पड़ेगा. हाँ, ऊपर जहाँ नहीं अपने नाम पे क्लिक करिए. हाँ, and then now go to
okay.
script पे जाइए. हाँ, ऊपर से सिर्फ कॉपी, हाँ, लिंक कॉपी करके you can share.
Okay, I have shared the link in the group.
मनतेज जी RSI मंथली भी एक बार बता दीजिएगा ना, कैसे
हाँ
लगाया है?
मैं समझाता हूँ, सारे इंडिकेटर्स जाऊंगा. Okay, so I'll put it into our group as well, and I have put it here in chat as well. Okay, quickly उसको apply कर लो फटाफट, then we will discuss.
Done. Thank you.
Okay, so go to setting, inputs. So what you are seeing the input now? ST1 period, ATR period.
और उसके लिए मैं 40-42 रुपए तब पड़ता है कि मैं 700 रुपए महीना.
Guys, there is somebody talking in the background. Can you just mute?
I have muted everybody, Mantesh ji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Hitesh bhai, what is the ST1 setting you are seeing?
So we are seeing 3,
2.1. Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2.1 and
One.
So
And
ये जो
1
S-
and
हाँ, so the ST1 period, no, change it to 1, and ST2 3, change it to 3. I just want to make it simple. When you see on the chart, it's easy to understand, remember.
right, and
Yeah.
we'll keep the ATR multiplier same, right?
Same.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So now ST1 is your faster period. Okay. So ST1, whenever you will see a ST1 by signal, that means that is signal is faster signal, and ST2 signal, when it comes, it is the second layer of signal, you can say, which comes little bit late. Okay, so ST1 is faster and ST2 is the second layer. Then go to style. Yeah, here I don't want all this up and down and all this. I just need the buy and sell signal. If somebody want, they can keep these lines. If you see this, when the buy signal come, the blue line and the green line will form below the candles. If somebody want, they can keep it, or they can just take it out. I don't want it to keep the chart very cluttered, so that's the reason I don't want it. So I take out everything. Yeah, I take out everything. I just need buy and sell signal, and I don't want the background also, so I'll just remove the background also. Yeah, then rest of the things will be same. And second one, very important thing. Yeah, this one, you see here, combined signal candle color. So this also I have kept it flexible. Somebody want to keep it, say like example, this candle will change the color when both ST1 and ST2 will give you the buy signal at a single time. The same time when there will be a buy signal on ST1 and ST2, that time this candle will change the color. So I will change this color to, say, dark blue color. Yeah, so I change this color to dark blue color for buy and dark red color for sell. So whenever there will be a sell signal by ST1 and ST2 together, the red color, the candle will change the red color. I'll show you on the chart. Okay, so that's it. This is the setting done. Yeah, so you see here, this is a daily chart, and here ST1 and ST2 both gave a sell signal. You see this, the candle color is a dark red color. So that's how you will able to identify when you are making a decisions. When we will go to the conditions, I will explain you more, but I just wanted to show you that setting here. Yeah, and here if you see here, if I go to weekly chart, you see this buy and ST1 and ST2, both two buy signals at the same time. Yeah, so green buy is for ST1 and blue buy is for ST2. Both gave me a buy signal at a single time. So that is where my candle of color has changed to dark blue. Yeah, you might have seen some charts I was sharing in the group with the dark blue candle. So this is the dark blue candle. So this is, I made it to show that, how you can take a decision. And rest all the candles are dark red and dark green color, but here it is dark blue color. Okay, so now some people might ask how to make these candle colors dark green and dark red. So what you can do, just go and click this setting here. You see on the chart there is a setting button here. Click on this setting button here, and then you will see symbol, and then you see body. Yeah, and go and click on this body color here, and then you can adjust the color here. You see this, if I click more towards 100%, the color will become dark green, and when I click on the towards left hand side, the color will get faded. So that's how I will change the color. Same with the red color also. You see this? So I want to only identify the candles which are important to me. I don't want to see all the candles in the chart. So that's why I will make them lighter color. Okay. So this is how you can change the color of rest of the candles. I want to see only the candle. See this one candle which is dark red. This is what I want to see as a highlighted one, so that I can take a decision. Yeah. So understood, guys?
Mantesh
Any
bhai?
confusion?
Mantesh bhai? A naive question, but this will have to be applied separately for daily and weekly, right? I mean,
No. It is same. It is same.
Okay.
It is that color of the candle will change on daily and weekly. Same. There is no need to
Not the color. I'm talking about the entire setup.
Yes. It's same setup.
Okay.
No changes in any setup. Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Okay, yeah, but where we have that dark green,
What dark green?
I think you were saying, right? Dark red is for selling, right?
Yes. See here.
Same way for dark green is there for us.
Yeah. See here.
Okay, instead
Dark
of
blue.
dark blue only. Okay.
No, that is what I have chosen. You can choose any color.
Okay.
That is flexible. I have chosen dark blue color. You can choose any color, whichever is your favorite.
Good. Okay.
Yeah. So let me go back to the slides again. So settings, no questions, no guys. Clear everything?
The input only. The first the input you said, right? That is 1, 3, right? ST1 is 1, ST2 is 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you.
So, Mantesh bhai, just only one question. What I am seeing on those blue candles or red candles, in which are getting highlighted, even this MTG indicator, or we can say junior KG V3 indicator, is also triggering buys and sell.
Actually, that is not happening every time.
Okay.
Yeah. When I did a back testing, see, okay, I will come to that
Okay.
question.
Understood.
I will answer that one.
Yeah.
But that is not applicable every time. So how you can use that angle in your trading, I will tell you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So I will explain next indicator also quickly, which is very, very important, guys. And I can tell you this philosophy, if you use into your trading decisions will be very clear. You will not have any ambiguity, which is RSI MTF indicator. Yeah. So again, I will just go and quickly show you which one is that indicator. Yeah, this is RSI multi time frame. It is by Jigga. Yeah, this is that indicator. So once you apply this indicator, you have to go to setting, and we don't need everything. So here you can see RSI time frame is day, 1, week, month, and 4 hours. Forget about 4 hours. So day, week, and month it is. So same thing here we need to keep. So I want month. So third one is the month. So that's the reason I have taken out first and second. I want only month. Yeah. and upper limit I have set to 80, middle level which is 50, and sorry, I need to change this one, and so middle level should be 50 and lower limit should be 30. Okay, so these are the values you need to change: 80, 50 and 30. Yeah, and I will explain you the importance of these values. Okay, so now only focus on this indicator, forget about everything now here on the top. Okay, so just focus on this indicator. If you see any stock in a simple way, the cycle, the the uptrend cycle and the low downtrend cycle, it range between, once this RSI line crosses or touches 50 line, which is the mid line. Yeah, say like example, we will take it from here. Yeah, say like here. Yeah, here say it started its journey, which is like 26th October 2020. It's crossed 50 midline from down. The RSI line has to cross from the down. Okay, that is very important. So that is one scenario. It crosses 50, so here it is. And from here, it is October 20. And when it crossed 80, this red line is 80 in June 2021. So it took almost 6 months to cross this. So October, November, December, and June, no? Yeah, so almost 9 months. Yeah, in some cases that might take like 1 year or more than 1 year also. So I consider once it crosses 50 to reach 80, that is the one cycle. Yeah, it crossed one above 80, so that is where you need to be little bit cautious. Once the stock crosses 80 mark on monthly RSI, so you need to be cautious with your trade. After that, crossing 80, I would say you need to watch how the stock will perform. So there might be a scenario the stock might change the trend, or there are some stocks which I will show you, after crossing they started their next leg of journey of uptrend very fast. Like say example, they crossed 100% uh, returns in 9 months or 1 year. After crossing 80, they became 2x in another 6 months only. That is also scenario is there. So that is a reason you just need to keep a watch on that stock after crossing 80. So here you see this, it crossed 80 and it spent some time here and then it crossed below 80. So once it crosses below 80, so then you need to use the other logics of exiting the trade. Yeah, so that very clear indication, once the stock crosses below 80, it is changing its trend. And see that it changed its trend August 21 and till here. Yeah, so you see this 21 to almost 23, almost 2.5 years that stock didn't do anything, and that was very clearly visible on the RSI line. So I will think about this stock only in once it completes its downtrend. So see, this was uptrend, and from here to here, I will say it is a complete cycle of downtrend, 2.5 year downtrend cycle. So when it completed it downtrend cycle, when it started touching the 50 line, see this here, it touched 50 line. So this was the time when it was very clearly evident that stock has now made its bottom. Now from here the stock go up only, and after that the stock started consolidating. So this is a complete stage one of the stock, and here it touched 50, and then here you see you get a buy signal. So here, from here, you see that say like October 20, and then again it started going up. And you see this, it reached almost 80 RSI. It reached here almost 78. And see that it started its downtrend. When it started its downtrend, September 24. And when it completed its downtrend, April 26. Almost 2 years downtrend cycle. So when this cycle is happening, and when you are seeing this, you need to be away from that stock. Whatever the buy signal comes here, see this. Here the buy signal has come here. Blue candle has formed. Whether I will enter in this stock, 100% no, because the RSI line is below 50. So if any time you are getting a buy signal here, this signal is null and void. Okay. So
अब क्लियर हुआ है.
okay. So now coming here. Yeah. Coming here. This green candle formed here. And see this RSI. It crossed from 50 to crossed 50 line again up. So this is the perfect entry for me. So see this stock from here, it started its journey यहाँ से almost 2 year के बाद में जब उसने मुझे ये blue candle दिया, तो my conviction should be 100% here कि मुझे enter करना है stock में, and that is what I did, and I shared in the group as well. Okay, but see, this is something, but you need to understand the stages and all. So when you, if you are having that skill of understanding the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, this decision will become much more easier for you. Yeah. So as I say every time, guys, indicators will just give you some indications, but reading the chart, technically reading the chart, that is the skill, and that skill you need to develop by yourself, by hard work. That skill will not come by any indicator. That is the skill you need to understand how the chart is performing, what is the stage. These all things you need to learn on the charts. Okay, so this is how the understanding of RSI, and this is very important component of our strategy, guys. Either it is MTG or dual ST, both the setups, this RSI is a very important part of that entire strategy. So you understood how this information you need to interpret and use into your trading strategy. Any questions on this RSI, guys?
Mantesh bhai, this is the weekly chart. Is it applicable on daily charts as well?
100%. Exact same thing you need to apply on daily chart. See, HFCL, when I entered here on this day. On this day, I got the what do you say, blue candle. You see this, buy one, buy two, both gave me a buy signal here. And see this. And well before that, RSI became positive. That is the reason I entered here, not here in any area. See this, here also I got this on daily chart. ST1, ST2 gave me a buy signal. The candle was green, but I didn't enter. I wanted 100% confirmation to enter, and that's where it gave me here. Okay. And second, when I say 100% confirmation, 100% confirmation, it came from MTG. You see below, MTG also gave me the buy signal on the same day. So this is the perfect valid entry to deploy my 100% capital. Okay. So RSI is clear. Then I will go further and I will explain in more detail.
Mantesh bhai,
Yes.
Just a quick point on that particular note. What was the risk that you had seen? So in terms of percentage?
Means drawdown risk.
Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't go as per thesis, how would you just check the AMA line, right, to kind of come out of the trade?
Yes.
Okay.
The next day only, if the red candle forms and closes below this AMA, I will close my eyes and I will hit the exit button. Simple.
Mantesh, maybe time to stop and start the recording.
Yes, I was about to tell you that. Just stop and have a sip of water. I will also have a sip of water.